Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade, like always. So first of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having a high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at this timing because the price can be really volatile and the spread can be really high. Wide. So let's move to the charts now. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and we can see that the price had taken the swing high of the monthlies and moved into the downward direction. And currently, we are kind of forming a FVG structure into the monthly level. So let's move to see into the smaller time frames that what do we have within this structural range. So this is the chart of the weeklies, and the price had reacted from this FVG and moved into the upside direction. So currently, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly react within this range because we are having some kind of a relative strong high at this point. So let's move to the dailies. Now, this is the daily chart, and what we can see is that the price had reacted from the extreme POI of this leg and then moved into the downward direction. So, currently, we are having this level as a resistance zone, and we can possibly see the price retrace back a little bit into the downward direction, and then we can possibly see a further upside move. So, let's move to the 4 hours now to see what do we have within it. Now, this is the 4-hour chart, and we can clearly see that the price is slowing down, but currently it's reluctant to go into the current FVG. That is, let's zoom it a bit. That is this FVG which is formed by the price. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly come down to mitigate this FVG. So let's move to the 1 hours. Now into the 1 hours, we can see that the price had taken some kind of a relative strong high over here, and the price is moving into the downward direction. But currently, it's resisting the overall move into the downward direction and moving into the further upside. So, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly take the Asia high, and then we are going to move into the downward direction, taking all these liquidities sitting below it, and we are going to mitigate this structure, that is the FVG of the higher time frame 4H. So let's move to the 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see that the price is sweeping the highs into the 15 minutes, and we are within a range right now, that is this current range, the New York high and the FBG. So the price is within that structure. So possibly into the Asia session we can sweep this high, or we can just sweep the Asia high and come down to mitigate this FVG of the higher time frame, because of the liquidities or the equal lows, you can say, accumulated right above this structure. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that the price can possibly take this high or just the Asia high into the London session to come down to mitigate this FVG, and then we can possibly see a reaction into the upside direction, or we can come down to mitigate the extreme POIs, and for me this will be the invalidation point of the current move. So it is quite wide right now since the price is really into the upside move, that is having a high momentum. So I'm anticipating that we are going to have the last 30 minute indicates that this is going to be the last level. But if we are going to come down to the extreme POIs, this will be the end of the bullish move if we are going to violate it. So if we are going to go into the upside direction, further upside direction, we can possibly the price can possibly give a reaction from this FVG, or we can possibly come down to mitigate this order flow. So currently, I'm anticipating that the price is going to take the New York high or the Asia high to mitigate this level. Then we can see a reaction in the either side. Most likely, it's going to be the upside. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.